Yeah, let's go back to that tire cam actually in Danvers along with Weather Warrior along Route 128 because I want to show you how it looks on the radar and how it looks to your vision outside. So, of course, you see the rain, the slosh and stuff like that right around the tire. And then if we could, can we also take the other source, which would be the front end camera as well? Wow, it looks like it's really going through the car wash, too, at this point in the game. So, yeah, definitely skip the car wash today. Let Mother Nature handle it. I don't think we really want to be going to car washes today because there's just so much rainfall to get through this morning. However, tomorrow, Sunday looks even better for a car wash as well. So again, hold off on washing the vehicle today. Here's Route 128 right now. There's Danvers and Peabody too. So smack dab in the middle of it is where Weather Warrior is. Perhaps right along Center Street as well. It's where some of the moderate downpours are right now. That's all pushing out towards the north and east. So about 15 minutes ago, Danvers, you were really getting rocked, which we saw there from Weather Warrior early. But again, a lot of this activity from North Reading to Danvers, Beverly, Manchester by the Sea. It's on the way to you and Rockport as well. Look out towards the west here along Route 202, I-90 even. It's a little bit lighter, and there's some clearing. What's happening is with that clearing is now we're getting a little bit more warmth into the atmosphere as temperatures are in the upper 50s and low 60s. At this early hour, that's adding juice to this storm. So now we've got thunderstorms starting to appear here right along the south coast of Connecticut and Rhode Island, and that will then lift towards the north and east and bring us a thunderstorm threat in the next hour to an hour and 15 minutes. It's a messy Friday morning drive. It's foggy. It is wet. Again, isolated thunderstorms, but not severe. Cooler air on Saturday, scattered clouds, calm weather conditions with a few sprinkles out towards the west. Marathon Monday, not so calm. Of course, a lot of the ruckus, a lot of the excitement and the chaos surrounding the marathon, and it seems like the temperatures will rebound too, back into the 60s. So there's that one line with thunderstorms such that by 7 o'clock to 8, we've got concern for across the greater Boston Metro and across Metro West and the Route 2. This is not going to be a severe weather threat. It will, though, churn up some of the wind. So far today, the gusts have been between, I would say, 30 and 35 miles an hour. We're likely to see things top 40 to 45 miles an hour. So the morning drive, not easy at all across the lower Merrimack River Valley in New Hampshire and also across greater Boston and Metro West, too. This afternoon gets a whole lot better. It's much nicer. There's even spots of sunshine. Temperatures tonight drop down to 52 in Haverhill and in Lowell. Leominster at about 51. Grafton also at 52. So it's a mild night tonight. It's breezy. Our winds are out of the south and west at 15 to perhaps 20 miles an hour through tomorrow. Now, tomorrow morning, clouds do build back in. Again, it's isolated to scattered activity at best. It is not a wet day for everyone tomorrow. In fact, I think most of us should get off just fine. Into Sunday, we're starting dry at 6 o'clock in the morning, starting with abundant sunshine, so that gives us a boost for warmer weather on Sunday. And then by 7:30 or 8, a weak weather system is overhead such that this thing should clear in time for the marathon on Monday. So breaking clouds on Monday morning, sunshine for the latter half of the day. For those runners in the last wave, myself included, at 11:15, it will be a hot one. High UV index as well at about a 7 or 8. 65 degrees for a high on Monday. Next Wednesday and Thursday, we ramp the thing up to about 68 to 70 degrees.